lately, a ton of people have been messaging me saying, hey, Colin, what gutter guards are you using? Because I know you used to be Leaf Blaster Pro, and now you're mentioning micro mesh gutter guards, and like, what are you using today, now? Why are you using it? And I just kind of want to go over what our options are for our customers. And I don't know that I'm going to necessarily do like a sales pitch for them, but I'll show you what we're using. All right. So first and foremost, we've got Alurex's T-Rex, and this one actually might not be Alurex. This one might be Leaf Relief with continuous hanger, but close to the same thing. Sorry, Alurex, for saying that, but close to the same thing. Continuous hanger, so sorry, I only have this full length piece here, but clips on the back of the gutter, screw goes through it, also clips on the front. All right, so rock and roll with this one. And you're rolling. All right, this is our budget option. I think we sell this on top of the gutter, you know, for 6-inch K. I think our gutter is $18.80 a foot now, and this is running like 22, all right? So that's option one. Pretty good gutter guard. I don't have any issues with it. It's actually super strong, of course, we all know that. The only problem that I do have with it is it sits down in the gutter, and so it creates like a mini gutter, and debris gets piled up in that and overflows the gutter. So I use it honestly more as like a kill, or I kill this, and it sells people into our next options. So our next option, this is Micromax by Micromesh Gutter Guards. Dennis Lugo is the rep for them, has been for a couple years now. Karen Sagar is one of the founders. Awesome gal. What really turned me on to Micromesh Gutter Guards is that the founder was one of the developers of Leaf Filter and actually left because he wasn't satisfied with the product when the founders were. He said, no, it's not good enough. And so he went and created what I'll show you next. But this is kind of another budget micro mesh gutter guard. Costs a little bit more than this, but installs super easy. Reason I like this over Leaf Blaster Pro, multiple reasons. A, customer support through the roof, way better. Leaf Blaster Pro, I couldn't get a call back from anybody ever. And I can't tell you how many hundreds of thousands of feet I sold of their product for them. So to not be able to get a call was super frustrating, let alone like just from a local rep. Couldn't get a call from a rep. So anyways, works very similar to Leaf Blaster Pro. I didn't have any issues with Leaf Blaster Pro as far as functionality of it goes. I just really hated their customer support, and I have no problem saying that on the interwebs. So Micromesh Gutter Guards, they ponied up. They wanted to come in and be a big supporter of my business. They wanted to support us in a good way. We buy full skid quantities, so we buy direct from them, which is awesome. I don't have to buy from ABC Supply or another manufacturer, supply house that is making money off of it. I just get to buy direct. So, and they'll sell direct to anybody that I refer to them. So that's pretty cool, down to like 4-box quantity, I think. Another big thing about it, it's really easy to cut, and it's got the really flat metal here, the aluminum. So it goes underneath the shingle, way easier than Leaf Blaster. Leaf Blaster, the edge had like a crimp on. Actually, I think I've got a piece of, so this is old junk that we actually just found. We removed it off of a customer's house and we found it in our shop when we were doing some cleaning. But you can see the difference here. I'll hold them. This is the backs of the gutters right here and here. So this has like a lip on it, and it actually would lift shingles quite a bit, where this is just smooth aluminum. So it goes under way easier. So we'll keep that. We'll give that away to someone for free or something like that. But yeah, slides underneath the shingle, super easy, doesn't raise the shingle. I like that. One flaw that I have with this is, as you can see, there's no mesh extended on either side. They're working on that. They're waiting for the tooling. I don't know, maybe they have it now, but it's middle of winter. I haven't bought a pallet in a couple weeks or a couple months, but yeah, so they're waiting on the tooling to have a little bit of mesh for easy overlap. So right now we got to cut. It's a pain in the butt, but it's a good product, and least of my worries. My guys, basically how I sold it to them was like, yeah, you have to cut for your overlaps, but this stuff cuts way easier than Leaf Blaster Pro, and they agree. So just based on the design. So that's our second option. So this one we sell for 22, 23 bucks a foot. This one is like 27, 28 dollars a foot. And then last but certainly not least, this is the leaf filter killer. All right. This is called Master Shield. Incredible product, like incredible. It costs about 3 times more than this, but it's super slick, copper inlay through it all, so no bacteria is going to build up or anything crazy like that on it. This is meant for steeper slope applications where there's a lot of water. They sell multiple different hole variations on the micro mesh. So they've got really fine, and then they've got ones with bigger holes for your valleys and whatnot. All right, so like this one, for the copper effect in it, customers eat that up when you show it to them. So this one actually has been tested by a lot of different guys. There's guys all over the internet that do like gutter guard tests and whatnot, and this one always tests one of the best ones. Kind of one of our big selling points is, yeah, it's micro mesh here, but it's got multiple raised hips here. And then at the end, it's got like a last catch-all, if you will, where any water that does get over it runs and feeds through the channels, right? And drips into the gutter. Another thing I personally really like about this, the reason that I tend to sell more of this, is it's got a drip cap. So this top lip actually hangs over the face of the gutter and really helps prevent tiger striping. So if you got white gutters or really any lighter color gutter where you see the tiger striping a lot, this will help with it. Because at the end of the day, no matter what, you're gonna get tiger striping. You're gonna get stuff dripping down the face of the gutter because it lands on that top lip and rolls over. This will help prevent that, and customers eat this up. Comes in a ton of different colors, so you can get gray and green and black and browns and whatever color that you need. My big wig customers love that because they like it all matching. I think some of my biggest jobs, simple residential jobs, $25,000, $30,000 jobs, selling this stuff because they want it color matched. They don't want to look at a silver strip around their house, and they definitely don't want to have to clean their gutters out or clean their gutter guards off every couple weeks because it's got a little mini gutter. So you show it the right way, customers eat it up. So this is, again, T-Rex by Alurex. That's our budget option. Micro Max by Micro Mesh Gutter Guards, and then Master Shield by Micro Mesh Gutter Guards in that order. $22, $23 a foot, 27 or 28, and this is like $38 a foot. All right, that's what I'm offering these days, and hopefully this helps you guys out. And if you need to get a hold of them, check them out. I think it's micromeshgutterguards.com, or find Dennis Lugo, or just message me and I'll send you their contact.